Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to another art video. I just wanted to unbox or unwrap this Paul Rubens watercolor travel book. I bought it solely because it comes with this little bitty palette. So let's open it up and see what it has to offer. So it's got 24 sheets, it's 300 grams. And it's hardcover. It feels like a lightweight hardcover, but it comes with a glitter paper. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. No, but it's the famous Paul Rubens glitter paper, which I've never tried. It's 100% cotton hot press. And it's a little bit bigger than 5x7. This is a Bao Hong watercolor pad in almost 5x7. And it's a little bit bigger. So I can see that, once you use up all of these pages, you could just stick another 5x7 pad in there. So the main reason I got it, even though I never go plein air painting, is because it comes with this little travel palette that is difficult to open. It's hard to open because the paper is in the way. There you go. Oh my God. It's so cute. It looks like a little Cotman Skechers pocket box. I'm going to go get mine so I can show you. So this is the Cotman Skechers pocket box. Mine is old and well loved. It's totally a little mini version of it. It's so cute. I don't know how useful these little mixing wells will be, but hey, it sits flat. It doesn't fall backwards. And what I understand, it apparently, yeah, it just slides on and off. Let me try to show you guys. So it's just a little clip that slides on and off. Oh, this is adorable. But you can clearly use this with other watercolor sketchbooks. If they've also got thin covers, let's try it. This is my Hanamuda sketchbook, which I love. If it's a little tight, it's a little tight. I don't want to scratch up my cover this side. Yeah, but it fits on there. So you could, obviously it's not going to fit on the inside like it does on this because there's paper in the way, but you can totally shove this in your pocket. It's got the little Paul Rubens logo on it. Okay, freehanding weird little houses was really fun. I went through with a fine liner just to try to fix some of the wonky areas. Um, I think it looks really cute. These paints weren't disappointing. I mean, obviously, I didn't really get to do a full painting to really try out how they work, but they seem nice. The paper, I think, is actually what was causing more of the problem than the paints, like the random, the very quick staining, the quick drying. I think that's the paper. But I mean, it's fun. It's glittery paper. That totally just adds to the fun. This cute little palette. I mean, will I be using this for other things? Probably not. It's more just a novelty thing for me. And I knew that when I went into it. I knew that I probably wasn't going to be using this very much. It's just really cute. And also, it's fully plastic, so I don't know how sturdy and resistant this hinge is going to be. I can see this lid breaking off, especially if you're really tossing it into your pocket or something. In the meantime, this is really great. I think if you like plein air painting and you're looking for something really handy, this is a really solid creation by Paul Rubens. I think they did a really great job. This is a great little purchase. I will include the link to it. There's two sizes. There's actually a smaller one. I'll include the link to the sketchbook in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed my quick little swatching session of my cute little houses with my cute little watercolor palette. Thank you guys very much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked, please consider leaving a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and hopefully I will see you guys next time with whatever random thing I decide to do next. Thanks for watching. Bye!